There's a hunger inside you that can't wait till lunch.
Boy, I'm hungry. I don't think I'm ever gonna make it to lunch.
You looked under your desk, but found nothing too much.
Here, try this. But this is a notebook.
Schoolastic snacks, edible notebooks, rulers and backpacks.
Introducing new Schoolastic snacks. Edible school supplies with all the vitamins and minerals essential for your student body.
Chewable pencils, staples and stencils.
I'm so hungry, I need a protractor.
Go ahead, eat.
I'll trade you my cream-filled tube shake cake for that eraser.
Bet you never thought you'd hear that. With Schoolastic snacks, you'll never need a bookshelf again. After you read it, eat it.
I just read a tale of two kitties, but now I'm gonna finish it.
New Schoolastic snacks are educational, filling, and are also available fat-free.
Schoolastic snacks.